Hello traders, in this video I want to quickly show you how to use your Fibonacci to confirm your levels in the market. You know, there are some levels that are going to hold, and there are some that will not. It's not all level that holds. And when the level is not holding, you're definitely going to have issue. Because if you think a level is going to hold and it's not, you're definitely going to have issue at that particular point. But how do you know a level that will hold so that I can give a full concentration at that level? So you can use that with the help of Fibonacci. So there is a tool called Fibonacci that you can use to confirm your level, to know whether the levels will hold or not. Okay, so how do you use Fibonacci to confirm a level, whether that level is strong or is going to hold or not? Then before I continue, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you can please click the subscribe button right now so that as soon as I upload the next educational video, you'll be able to be notified immediately. So now, if I pick my Fibonacci tool to confirm this level, you draw it from a low, a previous low to a previous high to confirm the levels in between them. Like for example now, if I draw my fib from this level to this level, what do you see? There are some levels you consider on Fibonacci that would look consider strong levels you need to watch, and they are 50% levels, 61.8%, then 78.6%. Those are the three levels. And how do you do the settings? If you right click on this now and go to settings, you will see all the levels there. You have them, there's a way you can set them here. Although you're going to have them set for you as a default settings. You know, we have default settings here. They're going to set it for you. And there are some that you can remove if you don't want. Like I remove this 0.382 now because I don't use it. There are no key levels that really works. At this at 0.236, you can check or uncheck. If you check it, you can see that it has come there. If you uncheck it, you will see that it has gone off the place. Like this 3.82, I don't use it as well. You can see that it has gone. If you uncheck it, it's going to go there. So the levels I use, they are 61.8, 0.618. I use 0.786, then I use 0.5. 0.5 means 50%, 78.6%, 61.8%. Then okay, that is the levels that I use, and those are the ones that you are seeing on my screen right now. This is 71.8, this is 61.8, and this is 50% or 0.5. So when you draw your levels from high to low, you're going to see, so if that level is going to work, it's going to align with either of these this fib level. So if it's aligned, yet it might not be on top, you know, exactly on top of it as we have it here. But if they are close, you know, just with little distance, then you are good. They might not be exactly on it. Like if you look at this one now, you can see as I have it here, that this particular level that I draw here align with this 50%. So assuming this other candles from here has not been printed like this, if they are not being printed, I will have more confidence at that particular level, you know, because it aligns with 50%. But the lower they go in an uptrend, the stronger they are. 61% is stronger than 50%, while 78.6% is stronger than this two. So the lower they go, the stronger they are. So at this level now, this 50% now, I can consider this level to be a good level to watch. That is how you use it to confirm your levels in an uptrend. You draw it from a low, using your market structure, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low. So if you want to draw it, you pick it from low to high in an uptrend. But in a downtrend, from low to high in an uptrend, but in a downtrend, you pick from high to low. Okay, in this downtrend now, let's use Fibonacci to check the levels. From here to here, what do we have? There was a time the price moved from this way. After a break of structure, it moved here and it tried to retrace. You can see where it pulls back to 50% or 0.5. That means this level that you draw here is a good level. You understand is correct, since it aligns or is in alignment with this 50%. You understand? And that is why you see that it's held and the price broke down from there. You understand? So that's how you use this. So from this place now, after the trend has changed from here, you can see we have a break of structure from here and go to this place, pulls back. When the price is pulling back from here, how do you know where this price will pull back to? That is where your Fibonacci comes in. So you draw your levels to this place, You understand? To be sure whether this level is actually going to hold. When you use your Fibonacci to test, you can see that when the price, at this point, you don't know whether this level whether there is a level here anyway. But this is the one that you see. When the price is coming back, you can see this place, this particular point. This is where you're going to watch, that where you have your level. So as price is coming back, you can see that price actually got close to that place. After a break here, it pulls back, it breaks down, okay, created this structure, this supply, breaks down, and the price is retesting from here. When you draw your level at that particular point, you can now use your Fibonacci to test whether that level to work. So if there is alignment, you can see that we have our 61.8, in that place. That means this level is a good place to watch. We'll actually draw this level. This is 50%, this is 61.8, but you can see they are close. So you can still consider this level, and that is why the price actually moved down from here. Now, I also want to test this level. After this pullback, I want to know where this price will actually pull back to, for me to be sure whether those levels are correct. If you look at this point now, after a break of structure, the price actually moved down to this place. So, but when it was pulling back, it used this flip zone, as resistance, then price continued downward. So the moment price breaks this place, so this has become a new low that we're going to test. So the price breaks it again, it has not pulled back completely and comes to this place. So that means this is where we're going to test. So as the price is pulling back right now, where are the areas that we're going to watch from this high to this low? We watch this 50%, 61.8 and 71.8. And you can see when it gets to 50%, it then respect that 50%, even though the supply there was a reaction. It breaks the 61.8. You can see that there was a reaction there. But now at 71.8, you understand? And I think the place held, and that's why you see the price moving down. So those are the areas. So for you to know, if you say there is a level here and that level is closer to this 78.6. So when it is closer like that or it's aligned, then you need to watch that level, that point. So that is how you use of Fibonacci to confirm your levels. So you draw from a low in a downtrend, you draw from a high to a low. Then you watch your levels, whether they are aligned, they are in alignment with the price, the levels, whether the Fibonacci levels, they are in alignment with the level that you are drawn for you to be sure that those levels are correct. If they are in alignment or they are close, then you will know that those levels are correct. But if they are not, then you will know that there might be an issue at those levels that you might need to look at your levels again. So that is how to use your Fibonacci, to confirm your levels before you can make your decision whether you have to buy or sell, or watch at that particular level. You may use that to make your decision, to watch the reaction of what's going to happen to whether you have to buy or sell. Thank you.